It's just a variation of a jog. Nothing really special, maybe not something that maybe something you've already done before, I should say, but it's a bit about the technique. So we're going to do a jogging action, and we're going to be pushing the arms to the front and to the side. My legs are just doing a normal jog up and down, and my arms are pushing out to the side and to the front. So what is the difference about the technique I want to talk about? Firstly, when you jog in water, you jog on your toes, just like you jog on the spot, on your toes, on land as well. You don't put your heels down. Have a look at this. If I jog on my toes, I feel really good about moving quickly. I push my heels down, I get much more jarring. You can sort of see how it's translating into my head movement, and it doesn't feel good at all. So as an Aqua instructor, I know for several years I told people to put their heels down, but to be in all honesty, I never did personally in the water myself, and I wonder where it came from. And if someone said to me once, it's about the fact you get a cramp in your calves. That can't be true, because you don't get a cramp in your calves when you're on land and you're jogging on the spot. So it's an unusual thing to say, as well as the fact that in water, you weigh a lot less than what you do on land. So I'm not jogging with my entire body weight now, I'm jogging with partial body weight. So my calves don't have to work very hard at all. And I'm in water, so there is a muscle release. There's a little bit less tension in my calves than what would happen on land. So when we sum up all those things together, it doesn't make sense, this cramping in the calves or over-tightening of the calves. So whenever you're jogging on the spot with your clients, tell them to bounce off their toes, okay? And then you'll get a much better knee lift. Knees will come up higher, and they will move their arms more. So it's really interesting. If your legs don't lift very high, your arms will match the same amount of intensity. It's really hard to move your arms a lot and not move your legs a lot. It actually feels uncoordinated. It's a bit like on land. You take a longer stride, your arms will swing out big too. You swing your arms out big, you'll take a longer stride. Makes total sense. Your body works in that elastic uniformity across the whole system. So, jogging your toes will make you lift your knees up a lot higher. And then, what you want to do with your hands is have the fingers open, so you're teaching this as an instructor, and you're pushing forwards, pulling in, pushing out, pulling in. So you're using the properties of water. So front, side, front, side, front, side, front, side. Push out. Now you should see quite a lot of turbulence because I've got my fingers spread, so there's lots of turbulence between my fingers. And there's also going to be that in-out action. Watch what happens when I don't turn my hands. Just as hard as I was before, trying to, but it doesn't feel anywhere near as effective. In, out, push. Now I'm moving the water and push, pull the water in. So, classic movement, most of us are doing it, but this time I want to focus on the teaching tips, because it's in the teaching of a move that's when you're going to get success with your clients. And that's this week's Aqua tip. Okay, demonstrating the jogging pattern on land is actually pretty easy. So, really important that as an instructor, you demonstrate the high knees. Now, look, this is just a personal opinion. It's not a reflection of how anyone necessarily should do it. But I think that when you march and you're teaching a jogging pattern, it's not inspiring enough for your clients to feel like they want to lift their energy too. So, a couple of really good ones is ideal, and then you can focus on the teaching aspect. So, jogging, lifting the knees up high, arms moving forwards and back. Keep the fingers super wide, push, pull the water, push, pull the water. You could also use the Aqua frame if you have access to this, which I like using when I'm a little bit tired, and I'll jog and demonstrate the bouncing off the toes, the height of the knees, and then continue with demonstrating with the arms. But what's really important is that you focus on what the arms are doing. So the fingers pushing forwards and pulling in, pushing out and pulling in. And as you pull in when you demonstrate on land, try and create emphasis with the rest of your body so they understand that they're moving water, pushing it away and pulling it in. Try and avoid doing it like this because look, it's not going to inspire anyone to move anything. So maybe practice in front of the mirror a little bit just to make sure that you're on point with that upper body demonstration. And that's this week's Aqua tip.